and down movement with the body. Yeah, get the body involved, make the legs do the work.
And this looks easy, but it is not easy. You're gonna feel the burn in those arms. The key characteristics that I learned about myself is just how important my mindset is. I mean, I knew it was, but I didn't realize that how much it was really holding me back in maybe areas of my life, like in my fitness, just like anything else. If you want to become stronger, you train for it just like you want your mindset and the way you think about life to be stronger. You have to work at it as well. Go to the depth that works for you, okay? We all got to start somewhere. You know, people that look confident, they don't always feel confident. So it's just about being willing to be confident in the moment with the skills that you have. And focus on really pressing into the ground and keeping it nice and tight. And again, just drive into your knee as far as you can, just like that. So important. Like, people think I can work out, but if you're not eating right, you're not going to see the results. It's a great way to just change your life and to you know, go for those goals and actually reach them. Now pick a weight that works for you. Maybe you have to go do a 5 or a 3. That's totally okay. We want to be able to do this exercise with nice, slow, good form. A nice full range of motion here, all the way up and then all the way back down. So this is a great exercise to strengthen and tone right through the front of those arms. And push all the way through, just like that. Do a check-in with that upper body. Is that upper body staying nice and tall as you do this? Because if we're tipping and we're leaning, guess what? We're taking the work out of those glutes. All right, so right in there, nice big step with that band. Oh, and I am feeling that burn and it feels amazing. Try some new workouts, try some new exercises, you know, up the weight, you know, as you get stronger, and make sure you're getting a lot of variety and a lot of changes and a lot of ways to challenge yourself and make it different.